just a little video about the Quasimodo. It doesn't matter how long it takes a Quasimodo to form, it can still work and work beautifully. Now, where is our Quasimodo here? It is hard to see. Well, we have our left shoulder here in mid-2011. We have our high here, and we have our right shoulder over here. It looks odd, it doesn't look very much like a Quasimodo, but we'll show you how it is. Now you want a Quasimodo to form at supply or demand. Now is this at supply? We'll check that out. Well, here would be our supply. It doesn't look very much like supply. Yes, it did stop the price from going up, so that's one reason why it's supply, but we'll take another look inside it at the lower time frames. Well, here it is. That's that point. And yes, it is a nice supply. It is a rally-based drop. Now, you can have rally-based drops which are very good supply and some which aren't so good. So why is this a good supply? Let's just check that out. Well, here, as you can see, once again, is the supply area we're talking about. Why is that good supply? Well, it's a beautiful SR flip zone. It's a decision. What you have here to the left is you have highs here, and the highs are broken, and price comes down here to where it was decided to break the high, comes back up to where it was decided to be too expensive before, and comes back down again. It doesn't break it here. You'd imagine that this is going to be a bull flag and it's going to sit on top of these highs and it's going to go higher. But what happened? Price broke down below this decision point and it came back up again to see if it could get back in. And it got rejected. It just couldn't get in, so price came down. So this is an RS flip. Have a look at it in line if you like. You'll see the price just couldn't close above these lows. So this is an RS flip at an important place where price should have gone up, but it came down and was decided, and tried again and was decided to be too high, so it came down. So this is a beautiful supply. So okay, now that we've established that this Quasimodo is at supply, we'll take a little look inside it. Now, here we are at the left side of things. So price got up into that earlier supply and it bull flagged here. You see the bull pole, you see the bull flag, and then it broke up. Now it's still in supply. You can see that here's the top of the supply there. Okay. So it broke down here. So you have a low here, you have a high here, you have a low here, you have a higher high, and then you have a breakdown through this. Breaks that low there. And why does it break it? It breaks it and it breaks it. So keep an eye on this left shoulder line here for when price comes back many months later. Over we go to many months later. So what happened when price got back to this the left shoulder level? Well, it broke down and down and down. So that is a beautiful Quasimodo which paid off really, really well. You have your supply, your left shoulder, your high, your right shoulder basically to the pip, and down she goes to the last time the price was decided to be too cheap. You never know, it can go down further